to fix SoFi crashing app or login loop. So just head over to Google, type in SoFi Bank app, click on this link, and head over to login. So to prevent any further problems with the login or the crashing, just make sure you type in your correct email here and add your correct password. If you forget your password, click on the reset password link. They will send you an inviting to recover your password. Click on back to login and log in with your password. Make sure also to have a stable internet connection. So this is very crucial as it prevents you from having problems with the SoFi banking app. If you have any other problem or their problem is not fixed, just head over to the official website. You'll find the contact us part. Click on the contact us to contact customer support and chat with SoFi. Click on this button and you have all the details here, that the phone number and all the addresses and phone numbers of SoFi banking app. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a